What if you could buy everyday products like sneakers or iPhones with your crypto? Well, now you can. Let's get into it. Welcome back, everyone. This is Web3 Bay, which obviously is a take on eBay because the backwards and it being Web3. I love the name, but look at this. You can save up to 25% on leading phone brands. You can see that they have iPhone 14 Pro Max. They have the SE, they have Apple Watches, you have a GoPro, or this looks like a wolf fang, all sorts of different products that you can actually buy with crypto using their Web3 Bay coin. They are doing a public launch right now, which they've already raised over $1.4 million in revenue or just capital, and they are already looking to launch at a 0.19 or 19 cents, which the pre-sale starts at 0.003 cents. So that's like, I don't know, 100x, 1000x probably, 500x off this coin, which is pretty much insane. I mean, where are you going to get that besides like a launch of any project in meme coin, essentially? So this is amazing what they're doing. Why buy Web3 Bay coin? Well, because there's exclusive benefits. You get early access to sales, discounts, and offers, and loyalty rewards. They love to be secure and transparent in their transactions, and there is insane investment opportunities. So you definitely want to check out Web3 and why they're doing it. They have a extensive roadmap. As you can see, the planning and research phase, they're already past that. That was last year. Q4 development phase, they are rocking it already past that, already into Q1 of 2025. And this is where we are now, I believe. In this phase, we kick off the pre-sale. As you can see, they already do the pre-sale, building, testing, and refining the platform. They have their backend, blockchain, comprehensive testing, and the pre-sale readiness, which is pretty exciting. And then this is where it starts heating up. They are going to make sure that everything is really hack-free. There's no LQI injection hacks. There's rigorous QA testing. The site speed and load speed is top-notch. Everything is optimized, and it's just refining before they actually launch. And then we get into the launch of the actual product in Q3 of 2025. Personally, I do a lot of sales on Amazon and eBay. And so having another option like Web3 Bay would be pretty insane, especially since we can use crypto. And, why not use crypto? I mean, if you can hold, say, sell products, gather your crypto, and have a nice nest egg of crypto from selling products, that sounds pretty insane to me, especially since you can have that money. Say you sell an iPhone for $1,000 in BTC, and then we have a bull run right after that, and that goes up, doubles in price. You doubled your money just by selling that product, which I'm pretty excited about because who doesn't love making even more money? And I know I went over this before, but I definitely think that I'm going to go over this again because this is how easy it is to get in on this pre-sale. Like I said, they are starting at 0.004 and the launch price is 0.19. So insane amounts. You can choose which cryptocurrency you want just by connecting your wallet. So if you want to use your MetaMask, Phantom, Talisman, all of these are options, or using a wallet connect, you can then change what kind of crypto you want to use based off of what blockchain. So if you have Ethereum, you have BNB, and then USDT on the Ethereum blockchain, you just add how much you want, connect your wallet, and then purchase. And that's how you get in on the pre-sale. I've already went over the roadmap, which is pretty intensive. So big things are definitely coming around. But if you do get in the pre-sale, like I said, they do have some amazing benefits for those who get in early. You can definitely get some exclusive benefits. Like I said, like the early access to sales. Why not get those iPhone 16s that everyone was trying to get for weeks? You get exclusive access on those that are selling them on Web3 Bay. Then you have obviously a discount. So why not get a discount? Make even more money to buy more products, and then loyalty rewards. So you get even more bonuses and rewards for using your tokens. So all in all, it is just rewards and more rewards, which I love. So in summary, if you're looking to get in on a new project that's not like a meme coin or really a lot of those other crypto projects and a project that is actually changing the landscape of a marketplace for e-commerce, then you definitely want to check out Web3 Bay. They are changing the landscape of how really use cases and utility should happen with crypto. And now they're bringing a marketplace to that. And so I couldn't be more excited, especially with I do, which is e-commerce. So having another platform to be able to offload on is amazing. So that's it, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, smash the like button, and ring that notification bell. And I'll see you on the next one.